Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate how to install a proper development environment for Pure. Typically, if you are just using Pure, you don't need to install everything I have shown here, but if you are intending to convert Pure into a full C# project, then it's helpful to have all of those components installed. To start, go to Google and search .NET SDK for version 8, and you can find the first link from Microsoft. From there, you need to install specifically 4 files. Let's assume you are using Windows. You can first install the x64-bit version for SDK, and then you need to install the hosting bundle for ASP.NET Core runtime, and then you need to install the .NET Desktop runtime, and then you need to install the .NET runtime for the x64-bit version. That's it. The installation process is pretty straightforward. You just need to download those files, and you can proceed from there. So that's assuming you are not installing Visual Studio. If you already have Visual Studio, what you need to do is you can go to Visual Studio Installer. Visual Studio Installer, and from there you can go to there will be a page that allows you to go to the modify. Not launch. Go to let me find it. Go to modify, and from the modify you can find a bunch of workloads. So you need to select ASP.NET, you need to select .NET Desktop, you can also select basically that's all the stuff you need. And if you want to install a specific runtime, you just need to also make sure you check .NET 8 runtime, and then you can click install, and that will install everything you need for using Pure. That's it.